Assigning devices to the organizational hierarchy. Once you have created your organizational hierarchy, you need to assign devices to the hierarchy. Now this step only applies if your fleet is using in-vehicle tracking devices, i.e. the TVGs. If you are using Trimble's Fieldmaster location services, which is where the technician is tracked from their phone, then you can omit this step. So we need to go to our organizational hierarchy screen. It's worth saying that you can navigate to the organizational hierarchy screen from several of the menus in the menu bar. When we created the organizational hierarchy itself, we navigated to it from the employee menu, but you can also navigate to it from the devices menu. It's the same screen, it's just a different way to navigate to it. Here's our organizational hierarchy for Acme Energy Services, and because our employees will eventually be assigned to the field service level in the hierarchy, that's where I'm going to assign the devices to. Okay, so I select the field service level, and then in the configuration area select the Assign Devices tab. Currently there are no assigned devices, so the first thing I'm going to do is to look for devices using the search options. I know that the first 3 digits of each of my devices' device label are 105, so I enter 105 in the Find area. In the Show list I'm going to change Assign Devices to All Devices. This will return all devices regardless of whether they are currently assigned or currently available. As all my devices are currently available, I could have equally have selected Available Devices. I'm going to leave the criteria of Starts With because I know that my device labels begin with the digits 105. But equally, if I wanted to search for text that was contained within the device label, I could have just selected Contains. And I'm going to leave the criteria set to device label because that's what I want to search on. I could also search on the device serial number. Click Search. All the devices meeting my search criteria for Acme Energy Services are displayed in the list. You can see they are all currently unassigned, i.e. their status is available. Individually select the devices you want to assign to the level in the hierarchy, or you can select all of them using the Select All button at the top. Click Assign Checked. The status of the devices is now changed to Assigned. Similarly, if I wanted to unassign devices, for example, I might want to unassign a device if I want to move it from one organizational unit to another, or the device has been uninstalled from a decommissioned vehicle. I could select them and then click Unassign Checked, but I won't do it here because I want all of these devices assigned to field service. And that's all there is to it. All the devices are now assigned to the field service level of the hierarchy, and that completes our tutorial for assigning devices to the organizational hierarchy.